It gives me immense pleasure to welcome this august gathering.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you, Sangeeta. Sangeeta Singh, ladies and gentlemen, she's been hosting our summit for maybe the last 10 years. She's been a part of Bollywood, she's been a news anchor, and always a pleasure to have her with us hosting this summit. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a wonderful evening. Thank you so much for being here. And Your Excellency, His Highness Al Nuaimi, thank you so much for being here. It's a pleasure to have you always. And ladies and gentlemen, this wonderful emirate of Ajman is such a beautiful place. I really want you to interact with His Highness, see the opportunities in the emirate of Ajman. It's a wonderful, wonderful city and now doing so much business. Ladies and gentlemen, some of you know I grew up in Dubai and I've seen it for many years in and out. It's such a wonderful place to call home. And our friends, I think a big round of applause for all our Emirati friends here who have welcomed us so that we feel UAE is our home. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, 2014, we started Asia One and we wanted to build this intellectual property called the Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia, Americas, Africa. And honestly, we knew nothing about the media business. The group was into other businesses before we started Asia One. And, one of my mentors, who's the late Madam Indu Jain, the promoter of the Times of India group, some of you have heard. I actually visited her and told her that, I want to start something like Asia One. And she said, go ahead and do it. And create a product that puts Asia onto one platform, and that's where the name came Asia One. And trust me, at that time when we were starting, I met everyone else who said, don't get into this business, it doesn't do well. And today, if you see how news and media has evolved, that when we started the award properties, we knew nothing about awards, we knew nothing about how to create these listings, and then we thought, let's get PricewaterhouseCoopers on board. PricewaterhouseCoopers has been doing the Oscar Awards for the last 83 years. And we told them to be the process evaluators with us for these awards. How do we nominate brands? What is the ratings? What is the different phases of selection? What are the parameters to mark on? And we created this property called the Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia, Americas, Africa. Now 11 years, we started from Dubai 2014, and happy to tell you, we've done more than 4,000 awards. We own more than 20,000 pages of content in print, online and digital. We have a television series which is broadcasted to about 30 countries through our TV channel partners. And now we reach out to about 78 million online viewers and about 36 million who watch the broadcast through our television partners. So ladies and gentlemen, happy to tell you that when you have chosen to be part of the Asia One family, the brands that you represent, it becomes our role to enhance and take them to the next level and actually showcase them to the world. Your passion, your perseverance of creating these brands to this level and taking them to the world jointly. I have some of our partners here. I don't like to call them partners, they are family. Dr. Christina Ram, Clayton Thomas, they're like family. It's like, we are friends. We've helped their brand enter India. We've helped their brand enter the UAE. And let me tell you, Dr. Ram is working in more than 80 countries with the Roots brand. Clayton is, the master, the fintech man behind it. And it's so wonderful when we hear this story. And I was just speaking earlier that, their son is also here. And he's just been in Dubai for 4 or 5 days. And he says that he wants to live here. That's what Dubai does to you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be a wonderful evening. And I want you to be here and join us for dinner after the awards as well. There are so many of you here that I would like to name, but you're so close to my heart, you already know that. And I wish you the best. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join us as we welcome up here on stage His Highness Sheikh Al Hassan bin Ali Al Nuami, member of the royal family.